So I have two kids, two boys. So a few days back, let me tell you a real story. A few days back, I was playing with them. So there was a ladder, very steep ladder. So I told them, boys, climb upon this ladder. So then they started crying. They are too scared, saying, Papa, no, we don't want to climb, we don't want to do that. So I told them, boys, let me support you. So with my support, they climbed the ladder and they came back. Second time again, with little of my support, they climbed and came back. From third time, they did it their own, climbed the ladder and came back. From fourth time onwards, it was difficult for me to stop them from climbing. I had to tell them, boys, please stop. So what's the learning here? The learning is every time you attempt to do something new, your brain triggers your fear circuits, constricting your mental capacity. Why? Because it's not part of your brain's familiarity zone, because you haven't experienced this before. But anytime you do this, you attempt to do this even with fear, now because it's part of your brain's familiarity zone, because you have experienced this, the next time when you attempt to do anything, you will not feel that friction. So never let your fears stop you from pursuing anything that you are pursuing right now. Do, fail, learn, and repeat.